In generally, we will use the 74 and 54 series ICs. These 74 and 54 series ICs are manufactured by using the TTL logic, transistor logic. We can use either open collector or totem pole, but totem pole is most preferable, and totem pole TTL circuit devices only we will use in the laboratories for our experiment connections. The 74 series ICs are useful in our laboratory experiment purpose and for all commercial purposes. But these 54 series are specially designed for the military standards. These 74 series ICs can withstand the temperature up to 70 degrees centigrade. But these 54 series ICs can withstand minus 55 to 125 degrees centigrade. High temperatures they can withstand. They can even in harsh environment conditions also these 54 series ICs can work. The operating voltage of 74 series IC 4.75 to 5.25 and the 54 series IC 4.5 to 5.5. In generally we have to give 5 volts to the all digital logic ICs. Okay? More voltages can damage that particular IC. 7400 is a NAND gate. It is a totem pole TTL NAND gate. 7401 is also a NAND gate, but it is a open collector NAND gate. And 7402 is a NOR gate. This is totem pole TTL NOR gate. Whereas 7403 is also NOR gate, but it is open collector NOR gate. 7404 is NOT gate. This is totem pole NOT gate. Whereas 7405 is also NOT gate. This is open collector NOT gate. Next 7408 is AND gate. This is totem pole AND gate. 7409 is open collector AND gate. 7432 is OR gate. 7433 is open collector OR gate. 7486 is XOR gate. So we use these 74 logic ICs in the laboratory. 7400 NAND, 7402 NOR, 7404 NOT, 7408 AND, 7432 OR, 7486 XOR. We can also manufacture these 74 series ICs by using the CMOS technology. If you observe on IC74C00, this is a NAND gate, but it is made by using the CMOS.